Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over this screen protector from Better Future AACL. So I do want to thank Better Future Protector Screen Protector for actually gifting this to me. And so what we have here is a screen protector which includes a leveler for the bubbles that appear on screen. You also have wet wipes, which comes with 4. You have a microfiber cloth. You also have dust remover stickers right over here as well. And so with it, this is actually a really neat way to go ahead and install a screen protector. So what you do is that you wash your hands, then you place this right here over your phone, and then you simply just go ahead and pull this out as it applies to your phone. So this is basically an auto alignment, which directly goes on top of your phone. And with it, it allows you to go ahead and protect your phone. So this in particular fits the S26 Ultra, but they do have different models for different devices. But overall, I've had no problems with it whatsoever.